Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Smart account and balance so roaming charges don't surprise you. Make sure the SIM is active and compatible with the destination's bands. This prevents a no-service scenario. Once done, check available roaming bundles and prices to choose cost-effective data. You should also record your phone's IMEI and plan for alternative connectivity. With these prerequisites satisfied, proceed to the phone-level settings to request roaming registration from the carrier. Now you'll enable roaming on your handset and register with Smart's international network. You turn on data roaming and confirm mobile data is active. This allows handshakes with partner networks. If automatic registration doesn't connect, switch to manual network selection and pick a trusted partner operator. Next, verify or input Smart's APN and carrier profile so data and MMS function correctly. Make sure to save settings and restart the phone to force a fresh network registration. You finish by confirming voice, text, and data work on the visited network. Place a short call and load a web page. If you don't get service, restart the phone and attempt manual operator selection again. Reapply the APN and toggle data roaming off and on to force reauthentication. If problems persist, use Wi-Fi calling or a local SIM as a backup and contact Smart support with your IMEI and error details. This ensures minimal downtime and predictable costs while roaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.